Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook video autoplay on your phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up Facebook and then tap on your profile icon or the three lines. If you're using an iPhone, this icon will be at the bottom here. Now once you're here, tap on this gear icon and then scroll down a bit and then tap on media, and in here you can see autoplay. Now from here all you need to do is just select never autoplay videos, and that way videos will never autoplay on your phone. Now if you're using an iPhone, it will look something like this, and from here what you have to do is just select the third option, which is never autoplay videos, and after that no videos on Facebook will ever autoplay on your phone. And that is how you can stop or disable Facebook video autoplay on your phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.